Hey, everybody. This story actually came out yesterday, April 14th, 2022. Sun's wrath, plasma ejections could impact Earth and wreak havoc today. An unusual magnetic storm emitting from the sun has the potential to impact Earth on Thursday and cause noticeable damage and disruptions. Dubbed the Sun's Wrath, the Center of Excellence in Space Sciences India tweeted this week about the detection of energy expulsions, hypothesizing a very high probability of Earth impact on April 14th. The solar activity is what scientists call a geomagnetic storm, which produces a magnetic discharge of coronal mass ejections. Basically, increased activity on the sun will eject this energy toward our planet, causing power blackouts and radio signal disruptions. On the bright side, the solar flares create a beautiful show of lights called auroras, like the northern lights. While the storms create beautiful auroras, they can also disrupt navigation systems, such as the Global Navigation Satellite System, and create harmful geomagnetic induced currents in the power grid and pipelines. According to the NOAA, coronal mass ejections are plasma and magnetic fields emitted from the sun's corona, the bright halo around the star, into space toward the inner planets. NASA and NOAA have tracked these emissions from the sun before, including some from just 2 weeks ago that were near misses, but this storm is different. While significant damage from coronal mass ejections is rare, this might just be the exception. The NOAA says this kind of storm is a major disturbance of Earth's magnetosphere that occurs when there is a very efficient exchange of energy from the solar wind into the space environment surrounding Earth. Higher elevations are at more risk, according to the NOAA, while mid altitude areas won't see as much damage but could still experience power disruptions. NASA has also predicted that rapid solar wind streams could cause the geomagnetic storm to intensify once it impacts Earth. During storms, the currents in the ionosphere, as well as the energetic particles that precipitate into the ionosphere, add energy in the form of heat that can increase the density and distribution of density in the upper atmosphere, causing extra drag on satellites in low Earth orbit. These energy emissions from the sun, according to SESI, are due to the bright star approaching its solar maxima, the period of greatest solar activity during the sun's 11-year solar cycle. I've always heard about these solar flares, but never thought much of them. The fact that it made mainstream news made me perk up a bit. My tech was going crazy earlier in the week, and YouTube had that massive outage earlier this week. So I wonder if it's all related, but they said that this was supposed to happen yesterday on Thursday, so I don't know. I do know that I had the most vivid dream I've ever had last night, and I actually still remember it, which is very rare for me. I usually forget my dreams as soon as I wake up, so I can't help but wonder if it's due to this solar flare. How have you guys felt this week? Have you felt any different? Are you worried about solar flares? Let me know in the comment section down below, and thank you for watching episode 5 of Odd Reality.